Well, I'll just get up here again. The wife is feeding a little bird. Kind of cool, man. Check this out. I'll turn it on. You can watch this sneak. Get in close here. See the little birdie. See, it's got to feed like a little bottle, a little weeny syringe-like thing. It's tiny, Max. The mommy and Poppy aren't quite sure how to feed it, I guess. Oh, this beak is open. Looks like a little alien, huh? I don't know if an alien looks that way, but look at it. Isn't that cool? That is really neat. Isn't that cool? I just wanted to show you people that. Just like a little vlog, you know. I told you people would be a lot of neat things I'm doing here. Wow, eh? Move your hand there. I'm just teasing you. Look at that size of that, man. Just tiny. That's a little weeny, what kind of bird's again? Lovebird. That's what it is. There's the other lovebird. Where's the other one? Okay, we'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe.